Doctors now say racism is a public health issue. All the major medical groups say racism, and in particular, officer-involved deaths of black men, women, and children can impact the mental health among black adults. Studies show psychological consequences to racism, including depression, anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder, along with substance abuse. And children can be hurt by it as well. The American Academy of Pediatrics issuing a statement yesterday saying if children witness racism in any form, it harms their health. Doctors say your children may fear for their own safety or the safety of their family. The best thing you can do is talk to your children, having conversations that are appropriate for their age. Parents should also watch for changes in their child's behavior and try to put limits on what they see in media.